Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with the project share, and this is for a digital design that is comes from Miss Sandy from Decorate Your Life here on YouTube, and of course her store is also called Decorate Your Life, and she also has a Facebook group. You guys want to go over, join along, you guys can do that. I will link that down on the description below. So today's digital design was from Llama, and oh my gosh, I thought it was so cute. You could use this for any occasion, birthday, parties, happy mail. Oh my goodness, so the possibilities are endless. And I don't know if I mentioned to you guys, I live in a very rural area, which basically I have no stores around me besides the main Wally World, if you guys know what that store is. Yeah, it's Walmart. Basically, that's the only store around here where I can buy any craft items. And if you guys been to a Walmart, you guys know that they have nothing. So so happy to be able to work with digital designs. And let me just go ahead and show you what I ended up creating. I am trying to come up with a video to show you guys what paper I use. So right now let's just go ahead and show you my project share, and we'll talk that about that another day. Anyways, this is of course using Llama, and I went ahead and fussy cut one of the flowers on one of the papers, and then lifted that up, and then did the Today We Craft, which is a crafty sentiment that of course Sandy has on her shop as well, which is amazing because of course you can resize any of these. So I went ahead and made this into a little envelope, and this is such a cute design. And you guys, I was able to print both on the same piece of paper. I did not glue this together, okay? And this is back and basically the front and the back right here, and this is just another digital that I ended up cutting and pasting here. And of course I put the llamas, and I did go ahead and distress them a little bit to give them a little bit more color, and I just put them in here. And of course I will be adding some other papers or something in here, and this is just an envelope which I will be sending to a crafty friend. There you go. And then I also created this right here, okay? And of course the crafty sentiments come along here. This also is a double-sided paper. There you go. And then I made it into a little pocket right here, okay? And I used some of my scraps from the paper, okay? And this is a flower I was gifted, and there you go. That's a pocket right there. So for this, what did I want to put in here? So of course it's going to a crafty friend. I wanted to put some rosettes in there, so there you go. Here are my rosettes. I went ahead and fussy cut this paper, and I just fussy cut the little llamas, and as you guys could see, and I just put howdy right there. And this is just from a of course one of Sandy's not crafty sentiments, but it's one of the other sentiments that she has on her shop. And then all I have to do is put it in here, and there you go. And then last, I went ahead and did this right here, and this is a tag. So I went ahead and fussy cut the llamas. I did not want to distress this one, but I did cut the paper out, and I just went ahead and layered it on here. This is just a tag, and I put some hearts in here, as you guys could see. And then I went ahead and cut the paper there too, and I just went ahead and layered it. And of course I did a llama, and then I put a bow right here, and then of course more of the crafty sentiment, hello crafty pep. And I thought that was so cute. So that is what I created with the llama love, an amazing way to gift to another crafty friend. And sorry for the glare. And of course I didn't have that many comments for the digital on this one, so you guys, I will put the winner on at the end of the video, because I did forget to draw. So I will put it at the end of the video. And anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. The winner, please email me so I can give Sandy your email so she can send you over your digital of Llama Love. Oh my gosh, thank you guys. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now. I did forget to mention, if you guys are interested in this digital, I will link it on the description below for my affiliate link. Oh my goodness, I was forgetting the main part. For my affiliate link, so you guys, I might earn a small commission, but of course that's just to, you know, make up for some of the paper stuff that I use for the videos. And of course I will also link all my other crafty design team down in the description below, so you guys could go over, check out their channels, and of course follow along. And of course you guys will see such amazing creativeness. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.